Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will sign in to Sway with your Microsoft account, then create a new Sway. Choose a template to speed layout or start blank if you need control. Once done, name the title card and import assets, drag images, paste text, or upload PDFs. Make sure to set the language and accessibility options early. They affect structure and narration. This first set of actions establishes your deck story arc, so organize major headings now and move to content blocks. Now you structure the presentation by adding cards, text, image, video, or embed, and grouping related cards into sections to shape pacing. Once done, drag and drop cards to refine flow and use group or stack for compact storytelling. Stacks reveal content progressively. Make sure to add captions and alt text for accessibility and search. Then customize style and layout. Choose between vertical, horizontal, or grid because the layout controls how viewers scan and absorb your points. Finalize by previewing playback and testing transitions, timing, and reading order. You can enable automatic narration or upload audio. Once satisfied, click Share to set permissions. Anyone with the link, organization only, or specific people, then copy the link or embed code. If you export to PDF, confirm formatting. If something goes wrong, check embed permissions, clear browser cache, and ensure assets are still hosted. These steps complete delivery and solve common delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.